Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unblock websites on Chrome browser. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you're trying to open a website and it keeps getting blocked, this is usually caused by certain security or DNS settings in your browser, or sometimes by browser extensions. To fix this, first go ahead and open Google Chrome. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Privacy and Security. Once done, then click on Security. Now, scroll down until you see the option that says Select DNS Provider. Click on the drop-down arrow and make sure it's set to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. This can help resolve blocking issues caused by DNS restrictions. Once that's done, you can close this tab. Next, click on the three vertical dots again, go to Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. Here, temporarily disable all of your Chrome extensions, as some extensions like ad blockers or security tools can prevent websites from loading properly. After disabling the extensions, try visiting the website again. In most cases, the site should now open without any issues. If it works, you can turn your extensions back on one by one to find out which one was causing the problem. And that's it. So that's basically how you can unblock websites on Chrome browser. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.